How to check a water liquid damage indicator on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all hold phone and need pin. So you will see so pin inside here. So after insert pin, and you will see so you will see and you will see so after the process again insert sim and you will see. So that's how you can check the water liquid damage in on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.